our uniform personnel, counterpart present, to the barangay chairmen of the barangay sir in the municipality of Bananas. Good, open out to Hatong Balang. So I am Captain Kumambin, the representative of Province ID, to present to you the updates for this council meeting. Next. So as shown is our sole presentation for the third situation, the disposition and location of our troops, the accomplishment as of this date, first quarter ng 2026 na this date, and our ways ahead. Next. For the third situation update, next. As of now, there is no CPG non-violent or violent incidents na monitored this first quarter of the year. Aside dun sa na-discovered arm cache nearly sa may vicinity ng Santo Niño, Baranas. But as of now, wala tayong monitored na non-violent or violent incidents or any presence ng kalaban within dito sa vicinity or sa municipality of Baranas. Next. For the disposition and location of our troops, next. So shown are the current MCSP deployment namin dito sa, mostly dito sa east side or dito sa mga parkland or upland barangays. Specifically sa barangay Santo Niño, Anagasin, and barangay Tampol. And within dito sa municipality natin is meron tayong dalawang patrol base na minamaintain, which is yung nasa Santo Niño and barangay Lawin. At the same time, we have our battalion advance post. Aside, since yung barangay namin is nasa Calviga, we have an advance post dito sa area ng Baranas, which is dito kami nag-station sa barangay Kasantig, Uno. Next. As of now, here are our accomplishments as of date. Next. So shown is our activities or yung mga significant accomplishments or conduct ng activities for the duration of the first quarter up to now. So we have conducted mobile security during yung holiday celebration natin. And dito sa mga deployment namin na MCSP barangays, which is Santo Niño, Anagasin, and Tampol, is we have conducted patrol, combat patrol, and yung DPAS patrol together with our DPAS, wherein we are actively na sinasama sila dito sa mga activities na to, since sila yung mga consider natin na barangay police or sila yung mga security force dito sa ating mga barangay. And we have PBS engagement, pulong-pulong, and we have active participation sa mga barangay session, and conduct a flag system and checkpoints together with our barangay officials sa barangay. Next. So, for our ways ahead, next. So, yung significant lang dito sa updates namin is we want to inform you that we plan to relocate our battalion headquarters dito sa municipality of Baranas, specifically along dito sa barangay Buray to barangay Lokiloco Road. Kasi mas we look into yung mas strategic and based sa mission planning din namin mas magiging ilalagay naman namin dun sa may Kasantig sa advance post. Yung tatayusin namin dito is yung mismo battalion headquarters namin. Yung nasa Calviga is yung transferring dito sa Baranas. So we also ask you kung may recommendation ng LGU with regards sa area or possible location or site na pwedeng pag-establish ng aming battalion headquarters. Thank you. So for now, may lang yung updates namin sa part ng ANP or yung Part 6 Highway mo. Maraming salamat. Thank you.